Writing professional emails shouldn't take as long as it does, but for a lot of people, it's not the typing that slows them down. It's the thinking, how to start the email, how formal to sound, how to say what you mean without sounding awkward or unclear. That hesitation adds minutes to almost every message. And when you're sending emails all day, those minutes add up. If you want to write professional emails faster, the first thing to understand is this. Most emails don't need to be perfect. They just need to be clear. Clear purpose, clear tone, clear next step. The problem is that starting from a blank screen forces you to make all those decisions at once. That's where tools like this help. Instead of starting with nothing, you start with structure. You explain what the email is about, who it's going to, and the tone you want. Professional, friendly, direct, or somewhere in between. The tool gives you a clean draft to work with. You're not copying it blindly. You're reviewing something that already makes sense. That shift matters. Here's a simple example. Let's say you need to send a professional follow-up after a meeting or a call. Normally, you'd think about how formal to be, how long the email should be, and how to phrase things clearly. With this approach, you describe the situation in a sentence or two. You choose the tone. You mention the goal of the email. And the draft is ready. You can adjust a line, remove anything unnecessary, or rewrite a sentence in your own words. The important part is that you're no longer stuck. The time savings here aren't just about speed. They come from reducing mental effort. You don't have to switch into writing mode. You don't have to second-guess every sentence. You don't reread the same paragraph 5 times. For people who write emails daily, that reduction in friction makes a real difference. This isn't about replacing your judgment. You should always read what you send, especially for important messages. But if you want to write professional emails faster without overthinking every word, this approach works well. I've linked the tool below if you want to see how it works.